I think just by coming to Upper Valley Career Center, it's really a gateway that you get to open those doors.
It's infinite. Like there's so many great things that you can do.
It's been probably one of the best decisions I've made in like my whole high school career.
It feels more like home here. Instantly, we were like, all right, let's do this. Let's get to work.
I've always wanted to be a cop. Like, it's just something I've always knew.
When you really get that hands-on experience, you really understand it is important.
When you do something, it just clicks.
I'm gonna try my best to learn everything that I can.
Academics, they like make it more engaging somehow. It's just nice to know that everything is related to what I want to do.
I take a couple of the college classes here, and it's just like all the knowledge that we are taking in now is going to help us in the future.
I've made so many friends here. Like, at first I would thought that I would like be sitting alone at lunch because I didn't really know anyone here.
Focus on just being you.
Everybody's new. You're all in the same position. It's all your first day. You see so many different point of views and you see how different everybody thinks, and you get to understand people that way.
Everyone has their own story. Everyone has their own life. Everyone's just so different in so many ways, and everyone's also the same in so many ways.
We're all here for the same reason. We're all here to succeed and find a job and get closer to that career success.
Here at Upper Valley, they encourage you to stay involved with your home school. I personally was able to do multiple things such as sports and musicals and really be involved with it as much as I can.
My lab teachers are amazing, and they're super good at also explaining everything.
They're not just teachers, they help you through life in general, home situations, everything.
Being able to feel the love and support here and other places that just show like everybody cares.
At this school, there's also the counselors that help with getting you put into certain classes that are specific to your job.
With the apprenticeship program, you're at school for 2 weeks.
You'll have 2 weeks at work and then 2 weeks at school, and you get paid while you're at work, and then obviously you go back and take all your classes and learn more in your lab.
You're gonna look back your junior and senior year and see those instructors and teachers that helped you get to where you are.
Upper Valley's been the best decision for me personally because I'm able to get that glimpse into my future and to make sure that I want to do this.
If it wasn't for this school, I don't know where I would be. Rather than I come here and I know I want to do this, and it's something I know I have many opportunities to take.
It's a great way to start my path to that successful future I've always dreamed of.